Bean Tots.
Today, the Bean Tots are visiting the farm. Let's meet the animals.
Wow, the cow is so big. It gives us milk.
That's right. Cows are gentle animals. Can you say cow?
This sheep's wool feels soft.
Sheep give us wool to keep warm. Can you say sheep?
The chicken lays eggs!
Yes, chickens are small birds that live on farms. Can you say chicken?
This goat is so hungry.
Goats love to climb and eat leaves. Can you say goat?
Cow,
sheep, chicken, goat. We met them all today.
Great job! The farm is full of wonderful animals.